Step inside one of Inside the Beltline's best kept secrets. This expansive one-level home offers over 2,200 square feet of easy, elegant living with 0 stairs from your covered carport to your front door. Recently refreshed with beautiful new hardwood flooring and a fresh coat of paint, this bright and airy unit is move-in ready, yet offers plenty of opportunity to make it your own. Oversized windows flood the spacious living and dining areas with natural light, while a generous den adds versatility. The primary suite is a true retreat, complete with wooded views and a massive walk-in bath. Love peace and privacy? You'll adore sipping coffee or cocktails on the large back deck. Tucked off Glenwood and Lake Boone Trail, this quiet community is close to Five Points, Ridgewood, and Crabtree, giving you quick access to Raleigh's best shops, dinings, and commuter routes. These homes don't hit the market often, and when they do, they go fast. Come and see what all the quiet buzz is about. Schedule your private tour today.